Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some fruity edible lip scrubs. If you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. These are not all the oils that I will be using, but these are some of the oils that you can use in your lip scrubs. It will be coconut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, and almond oil. The flavoring oils are from Get Suckered. I'll be using the Island Punch, Passion Fruit, Strawberry Daiquiri, and Strawberry Banana. I won't be using all these colors, but these are food coloring. It comes in a pack of 4. It comes with a red, blue, green, and yellow. So I'm gonna start adding my oils. You can use a measuring spoon, but I prefer to use the pipette. I put the oils all the way up to the 2 ml, and yeah, I'm just gonna be adding the oils and then start mixing that together. So like I stated before, I don't like my lip oils too oily because that would defeat the purpose. You want it to take the dead skin off your lips, and if it's too oily, then that won't be happening, in my opinion. So I don't like my lip oils too oily. I am going to be adding a couple of drops of the food coloring in here, and then I'm going to be adding some flavoring oil, and it will be the strawberry banana, and it will also be 2 drops. For wholesale inquiries, make sure you check out the website at beautybyccollection.net, and I will leave it in the description box down below. And all my videos, I leave it down below, but just in case you guys didn't know, it will be down there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.